Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating an R project and placing raw files in a clear folder structure. This prevents path chaos. Install and load Tidyverse and data. Table because they cover most cleaning and reshaping needs. Next, import your dataset with Reader, read CSV or Arrow, read Parquet, then immediately inspect with Head, Glimpse, and Summary, so you know missingness, types, and scale before transforming anything. Now you clean and transform. Convert types, handle NAs with clear rules, and create reproducible mutate steps. Use deepler pipelines to chain select, filter, mutate, group by, and summarize so each line documents a single logical change. Once done, run exploratory plots with ggplot2, histograms, box plots, and scatter plots, and calculate correlations or aggregates to surface relationships. These steps inform feature engineering and modeling choices later. Train a baseline model first, linear or random forest, so you have a performance reference. Always set a seed for reproducibility. Validate with cross-validation or a holdout test set, reporting RMSE, ROCOC, or relevant metrics. Once satisfied, save the model object with save RDS, export key transformation code, and write a concise README for reproducibility. If predictions drift or errors occur,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.